beginning to end. Let's have fun together. This is a PJ Masks puzzle and it has 48 pieces inside. Look, we have gecko, catboy and owlette. Let's open the box. First step, we have to turn the pieces upside like this, so we can see the faces clearly. Let's see the picture. Now, for gecko, we'll do green pieces aside. For catboy, blue pieces aside. Owlette, red pieces aside. Look, my favorite color is green, so I will start with green. Gecko's color. First, we will take the border. Look, like this. We'll make the frame. I found one. Let's go. Look, we made one eye. Now we'll find another eye. Oh, here I found. Let's join it. Look, teeth and the face. Here is the symbol of gecko. Look, there are some green letters. Here, PJ is written. The green gecko is done. Now, let's start with catboy. It's blue. First, let's take the borders. Then we'll start with the eyes. Where are the borders? Borders. Here I found. Oh, it will join here. Look. Oh, I found a half letter. Here, see. Now, as I said, first we'll do the border. The border is done. Now, we'll start with the eyes. Look, here is a half eye. Let's do the full. But the first eye is done. Look, another eye is done. Now we'll start with the mouth. Look! Now we'll make the costume. It's here. Look, the symbol is done. I found a letter. It's a blue color. Oh, look, gecko and catboy. Let's go. Blue and green are done. That's gecko and catboy. Let's go with owlette. border. Again, we'll start with the eyes. Oh, I found a half letter again. Look, the border. It's a fun and a small puzzle. Look, a joint. It's here. Now the border is here, it is here and here. 3 borders are done and corners. Now, last border. I need some pieces to join the border. Look, a half eye is done. We need very little small part. We found the small part of the eye. Look, the 4 corners are done. Let's go the last piece of the corner. Look, the whole frame is done. Now, we'll start with the eyes, as I said. Look, I found only little piece. Eyes is done. A half part of the mouth is missing. Let's do that. Now we'll make the costume with pieces are left. Look, here is written PJ with gecko green, mask with blue, catboy and KS, owlette red. Only 3 pieces